Hi, and thanks for checking out Reimagine Nutrition Success. My name is Ashley Sweeney, and I'm a registered dietitian, nutrition consultant, and coach. Nutrition success is really about celebrating the little steps every day that make up a healthy lifestyle. It's in losing weight and celebrating all the successes that go around losing weight and feeling better about your energy, but it's also in the little daily actions that we take, like drinking more water, actually going for a walk today, actually eating 5 servings of fruits and vegetables. It's in the little steps that add up over time that make your lifestyle a truly healthy lifestyle. What I've found is that a lot of you just aren't comfortable in your own skin. You aren't comfortable with knowing how to eat what's best for you, with knowing what's truly best for you, with what your body needs and what the best nutrition is for you. You're not really comfortable with eating out in social settings or knowing what's best for you when you're eating out. And there's so much confusing information out there online with nutrition information that you need somebody who knows what they're talking about to break it all down for you to ask your questions to, without feeling dumb or without feeling like you're being judged, or just to get the help that you need. In the past, I've really struggled myself with eating disorders and body image issues and a lot of ups and downs that have come with that. And because of that, I've really learned how to help others overcome that and how to gain control of their health without letting it stress you out. Most of you have been trying diets your whole life. You've been ups and downs, highs and lows. You understand basically what you should be doing to lose weight, but something in you it's not working. You don't really see that it's important to you, or you're just over it. You're just tired of trying with nothing working, or you've invested so much money in the past, and I don't want that to keep happening to you. I don't want you to feel so crummy. I want you to be healthy and live a lifestyle of nutrition success. So with Reimagine Nutrition Success, we're really going to spend some time diving into nutrition, really giving you the basics 101, like what do you need, how to personalize all this information for yourself, how to really understand how much protein do you need, what should you be doing throughout the day from start to finish in order to get maximum nutrition for maximum energy and health and weight and everything that goes along with that. So we're going to spend a lot of time in just the basics of nutrition, helping you understand what's best for you. We're also going to spend a while in meal planning and meal prepping, because I believe with this action of meal planning week after week, it helps you take control of your health. It helps you understand, I have a plan, I have a system in place, because most of you don't. You don't really have a system in place with your health. You're kind of leaving things up to chance. You're eating decent, but things, when the stress hits, it all goes haywire. You lose all control. And it's normal, but it doesn't have to be normal for you anymore. And I don't want that to continue to be the way it goes for you. So then we'll spend time with emotional eating and stress eating. And I'm really going to explain the science behind it all, like what is going on in your head that is making you turn to food and look in the pantry and in the fridge and go to food instead of dealing with the issues at our hand. And when you feel those binges coming on, or you feel like you're starting to get out of control, how to redirect that, what to do in those situations, because you can eat great all day. You can eat vegetables and proteins and healthy fats and do really well all day. But if you come home each night and you are just pigging out, you're never going to see results. It's always going to be the same thing. So we're going to spend 2 weeks on emotional eating and stress eating and binge eating and really overcoming all of that. Then we're going to also talk about moderation and balance and portion control and maintenance and what to do when you're eating out or you have vacation and you're traveling, and just kind of those daily lifestyle things that matter, because it's important and it's what our lives are like. So how to balance all of that. So you'll see Nutrition Success is really a whole encompassed program that is so important for really understanding nutrition success and for getting you on the right track. So I hope you'll join us. Sign up in the link to register, and you'll be getting started with some handouts and some resources until the program starts. So I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to work with you, and I can't wait for you to feel healthy and for you to understand what nutrition success really feels like with Reimagine Nutrition Success.